Hi everyone, how are you? Sending you lots of love and healing thoughts, thinking that it's all going to be all right, but in the meantime, we just have to lay low, so we're laying low. I want to talk Project Censored and just say hello. Um, I'm feeling like I want to take it easy on you because I feel like that's what we all need right now, some good self-care. But I also want you to have the opportunity to get your Project Censored published. And so they sent me an email and said they're still expecting final drafts by the 27th in their hand, good to go, which means that I need you to pass yours by me one more time before I can comfortably submit it to the project. So I thought I would show you what this one looks like and then kind of talk details with you. But as you can see, this is the website, and this is the title that the student who created this post used based on what the article was talking about, and then the project themselves put in a picture, and then the kind of summary piece is follows, and then when you scroll down it says source, and it's in the format that I've asked you to do, which is Chicago, which is first name, last name, then the name of the article in quotations. Truth Out should be in italics. It's hard to tell if it is. Then the date, and then a live link. And then it says student researcher Haley Hatch from Sonoma State. So go ahead, that's our school, woohoo. So she beat us to it, so we need to get ours up there too. And then faculty evaluator Peter Phillips, Sonoma State. So that's going to be this. This part won't be Haley. It'll be all, each of your group. You will list your names in alphabetical order, and then you'll put Sonoma State, and then faculty evaluator will be me, Sonoma State, okay? And that's what it's going to look like up on the site. So let's get it done. Let's do it. So I have the VIN submission here. I'm going to take you to the home so you can see. So when you go to home, you're going to see, you can go to assignments, and here, I'll put it on student view so you can see it through your own lens. And so basically when you, oh, sorry, my dog is bumping my computer. So when you go to assignments, you'll see final VIN, okay? And then you'll be able to click on it. It's a group assignment. So that means each one of you from each of the group just needs to submit it, okay? And we're going to talk about this. So here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a Zoom invite, which is basically a way to conference call everybody, but it'll be a video. And so during our normal class time, I'll Zoom us on Wednesday so that we can talk face to face. But we'll do it on our screens, obviously. If anybody has trouble doing it, don't worry. I'm not gonna like ding you for not being present on the call, but I want you to try your best to get on it. And I don't think we'll do them weekly necessarily. We'll have to kind of see how it goes because, you know, a screen with 40 of us on there trying to have a conversation is going to be tough, but at least I can spend some time talking to you, you know, live so that we can all be in communication together. But it won't be like, I won't hold 4-hour Zoom sessions or anything crazy like that, I promise. So, but for next Wednesday during our normal class meeting time, I will send out a Zoom invite so that we can get together at least once for a big check-in, and then we'll see how that works, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm thinking of you. I'm around. I'm available if you're starting to feel any sort of need for contact because, you know, we are social creatures. I'm available to chat with you. We can set up a phone call, or we can Zoom, or I can email, whatever it is that would make you feel better. If that would make you feel better, I just want you to know I'm here, okay? It's gonna be okay. We're gonna all be okay. I hope, I hope you're catching up on sleep. I hope you're doing things that bring you pleasure, safe things that bring you pleasure. Eat well, sleep well, breathe fresh air. pet dogs if you like dogs. Here, let me show you this little dog. This little dog, she sometimes brings me pleasure. Sometimes she gets on my nerves. This is Rosie. Rosie, say hi. Rosie loves sociology because, she's a sociologist dog. So we are sending you lots of love and lots of healing thoughts. Not that we need to, well, we need to heal. We need some wellness, right? We need some wellness in our lives. So let's work on our wellness. And I look forward to Zooming with you a week from tonight. And in the meantime, be good to yourselves. All right, take care.